Good evening, traders. First of all, wishing you guys a happy Dasara. Apart from that, we also have Gandhi Jayanti. We bald people very much like this day. Anyways, apart from Gandhi Jayanti, many guys want to be knowing today is also Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, and our Indian markets were our Indian markets was closed, and this gave me a day to analyze some stocks that I should have done on weekends. As promised to bring analysis videos for the weekend, I found a good opportunity today and I did some analysis. In this video, I will be talking about 5 stocks that are included in the Nifty 50. We will do a thorough analysis of it and I will share my views on.
You are new to this channel, hi, I am Aryan. I have been trading in the Indian markets for the past 4 years. My trades are based solely on technical analysis, which includes price action, chart patterns, support, resistance, and trend lines. Before I proceed further, let me give you all a standard disclaimer. The equities shown in this video are solely for educational purposes. I do not provide any buy or sell levels. Neither do I recommend you guys to trade on my analysis. I have a right to be wrong and I love being wrong. Anything you buy or sell, please consult your financial advisor. Wishing you guys a happy trade.
Let's now quickly jump into the screen. On the screen, we have open Nifty 50 chart, that is 1 hour time frame. On this 1 hour time frame, we had earlier discussed on the previous day we had discussed that though there was some down move outside of this parallel and downward sloping parallel channel, but now on 1st October there has been a dramatic up move, and this up move brought prices past the nearest resistance. You can see this it is at the top part of this resistance. That was all for Nifty. Now let's check individual equities. We have opened up Adani Enterprises. On Adani Enterprises 1 hour time frame, this was a downward sloping parallel channel whose breakout happened on 1st October previous day. Now let's move to daily time frame. What is the chart on daily time frame? So on daily time frame, we can see that the down move started somewhere here. It formed a W pattern. Remember, I had mentioned about this W pattern some in previous videos. And shortly after that, there has been a up move. This up move took prices to this resistance. Let me zoom out the chart to see the bigger picture. Okay, on the bigger picture, we are currently at the highest resistance. We are at the resistance that was formed in November previous year. If you guys don't know about this gap that is formed on this chart, let me remind you, this gap was formed due to some very bad news. There was some allegations on Mr. Gautam Adani, and that Hindenburg report, something related to Hindenburg report. This gap was created due to that news, and since then this resistance zone was tested once, twice, and none of the time it was able to penetrate this resistance and reach up to this level. But now this up move, let me remove all the drawings and make it a bit clear. So with this up move, I guess it is not far, the days are not far that we can see prices up to 2800. So I am slightly bullish on Adani Enterprises over the next few months. I guess in the next few months, I think that we can see prices of 2800. That was all about Adani Enterprises. Coming to Adani Ports. On Adani Ports 1 hour time frame, we will shift to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, this was move. Then after that, this was down move that started in due to tariff wars. Now this down move, we are at 50% retracement of this down move. Since Adani Enterprise is bullish, I guess it will also move up. So our next target for this will be somewhere 1460. That is somewhat around 3% movement. Let's now see its 1 hour daily time frame. Okay, on daily time frame we can see that for many times it has been trading. Okay, so let me cover that news. This was the gap created due to the allegations that I mentioned for Adani Enterprises. Shortly after that, that gap was filled. However, it traded below that level, and that level was breached somewhere in July, after which we can see a rectangular pattern being formed, and this time the price has returned from the center of this uh, rectangular pattern. You can see the area marked with this arrow. Price has uh, price bounced back from this, and so our next target should be somewhere around 1460, and if that is crossed, we can see levels of 1500 or 1560, even 1560. uh, I hold the same bullish view for Adani Ports also. Now coming to Apollo Hospital on daily time frame, it is near to its all-time high. All-time high is 8000, and currently it is trading at 7400. If we look at the chart, 24 rally, then after that consolidation, there was consolidation. The support was around 6000. Then this support was respected, and this fall, the if I zoom in a bit, you can picture out this fall. So this fall is mainly due to tariff related issues, and if that is resolved, I hope we can see all time high pretty soon. Now let's first move to 1 hour time frame and see what is the chart pattern. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. On 1 hour time frame, this is the all time high area. Price traded here for quite long. After then, there was a breakdown. This breakdown was mainly due to tariff related issues, and in this breakdown we can see that we are forming a downtrend. First down move, then a pullback, again a down move, again a pullback, down move, down move, down move, down move, down move, and there has not been a decent pullback since in this down move there has not been any decent pullback. So I expect prices to test first 7500, that is around 1%, quarter to 1% up. If that is breached, we can see levels of 7600, that is 2% up move from current levels. I have not formed any view on Apollo Hospital. Now let's move to AxisBank. AxisBank, I have been tracking it since it fell from its last earning report. Its last earning report was, let me see when it was, somewhere I guess. Okay, no, this is not AxisBank. This is AsianPaints. Sorry for the this chart is AsianPaints, and AsianPaint since last year November it has been trading in this box, moving up down many times. Recently, this box was broken up. However, then it formed a M pattern. M pattern is a bearish pattern. This M pattern was formed, and now it is at the leg of this M pattern here. I expect further down move in Asian Paints somewhere till up to 2200. And let me again, okay, so if 2200 is quite, I guess, not possible recently, not possible in recent days, because if prices goes near to 2200, there will be strong demand. So I guess price can rebound from here also. I won't be surprised if prices rebound from here and reach up to 2450 levels. Okay, so if we move to 1 hour time frame, can we form any trend? Yeah, this is the upward sloping parallel channel. Price was trading for a long time in this, then there was a breakdown of this channel, and after this breakdown, price consolidated in this zone, rectangular zone, for quite a time. Then when tariff issues emerged again, resurfaced, when tariff issues resurfaced, all over Indian markets fell, and along with that, Asian paints also fell, forming a classical down uh, downtrend. This is higher low, then this is the higher low, sorry, lower high, lower high, lower high, and this is the nearest lower high. If there is some good news, first 2350 should be breached. See this heavy selling on 1 hour time frame. Let me zoom in the chart, then this will be clear. See this upward tail, the long upward tail. It is it is during the trading session. That means people are expecting some bad news for Asian Paints, and that is what I guess it is reflected in price action. This is due to the overall positivity, and that is why we can see this up move. However, this up move is not satisfactory. See this big red candle. This up move is still below halfway of this red candle. The line that I have drawn, we can consider is it as halfway of this big red candle. This big red candle. and so we are still in bearish phase. Also, the farthest I can expect prices to reach is this zone, that is 2360 levels. And once it reaches there, I won't be surprised if it faces selling pressure again. The way this shooting star pattern, this candle with long upper tail, we can this is termed as shooting star, and it is a bearish pattern. The way this bearish pattern has been formed, I won't be sure if prices goes further down. So I'm slightly bearish about Asian Paints. How far we can expect prices to reach? We can expect prices to reach somewhere around this levels, 2250. I guess more 3 to 4% down move we can expect in Asian Paints. Coming to Axis Bank, this is 1 hour time frame. For Axis Bank, I have been tracking it from its previous, from its recent earnings declaration. On that day, I had taken a long trade, which was completely against, and prices. I took a long trade, and prices came completely against my analysis. See this gap? After that gap, price has been trading in the lower part, and the lowest point that it reached was somewhere around 1050. From that level, it has bounced back very much, and it has now reached uh, to the pre-falling levels. It has reached this resistance zone, and here, reaching on the top of this zone, parallel channel, it has found resistance and now come back. However, this pullback can be seen as a pullback to this big up move, and now that pullback has been uh, digested with this up move. So in the future days, we can see prices hovering somewhere in this channel, that is from 1180 to 1150. I expect prices to move like 2 to 3 weeks. We can hover in this range. So, and if we look for daily time frame of Axis Bank, it is quite good. Prices took support at here. Prices took support at a previous support zone, and now it is coming near to the resistance zones. So we covered 5 equities in this video. I guess that is enough for this video. For coming equities, I will be coming up with videos soon. Let's now wrap up this, getting quite long. Quickly wrapping it up. That was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my analysis. With my analysis, I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks of technical analysis, mostly price action, how chart patterns are read, how analysis is done. If you guys face any doubts, feel free to ping in the comments. I will be more than happy to clear your doubts. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. See you in the tomorrow's post market report. Bye bye traders. Wishing you a happy day once again. Adios amigo, powering off.